CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Tuesday, February 2nd, 2010. CDTV.net covers dividend-paying stocks earnings reports, dividend announcements, and company profiles. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Plum Creek Timber Company Incorporated announced 17 cents per diluted share compared with 57 cents per diluted share last year. Analyst average estimates were 16 cents per share. Plum Creek beats by a penny. Fourth quarter earnings were $28 million on revenues of $258 million. Earnings for the fourth quarter of 2008 were $95 million on revenues of $461 million. Rick Holley, President and Chief Executive Officer, said, "Our fourth quarter results came in as much as we anticipated, with stable to improving timber prices and seasonally better land sales activity." Plum Creek Timber Company Incorporated is a publicly owned real estate investment trust. MDU Resources Group Incorporated announced 38 cents per share compared to 40 cents per share in the same period of 2008. Analyst average estimates were 37 cents per share. MDU beats by a penny. Fourth quarter of 2009, the company had consolidated earnings of $72.5 million compared to $72.8 million in the same period of 2008. Decline in earnings related primarily to lower natural gas and oil prices. MDU Resources Group Incorporated operates as a natural resource company in the United States. And now, the dividend report. AK Steel announced that its board of directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 5 cents per share payable on March 10 to shareholders of record on February 12, 2010. AK Steel Holding Corporation, through its subsidiaries, produces flat-rolled carbon, stainless and electrical steels, and tubular products primarily in the United States and internationally. Norfolk Southern Corporation announced the regular quarterly dividend of 34 cents per share payable March 10 to stockholders of record on February 5, 2010. Norfolk Southern Corporation, through its subsidiaries, engages in the rail transportation of raw materials, intermediate products, and finished goods. Callaway Golf Company announced that its board of directors declared a regular quarterly cash dividend of a penny per share. The dividend is payable on March 15 to shareholders of record at the close of business on February 19, 2010. Callaway Golf Company, together with its subsidiaries, designs, manufactures, and sells golf clubs and golf balls in the United States and internationally. United States Steel Corporation announced that the board of directors declared a dividend of 5 cents per share. The dividend is payable on March 10 to stockholders of record at the close of business on February 10, 2010. United States Steel Corporation, through its subsidiaries, engages in the production and sale of steel products primarily in North America and Europe. Legg Incorporated announced that its board of directors has declared a quarterly cash dividend of its common stock in the amount of 3 cents per share. The dividend is payable on April 12 to shareholders of record at the close of business on March 11, 2010. Legg Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, operates as a diversified group of global asset management firm serving individual and institutional investors worldwide. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.